Hey, what's up, Siacoin holders? So what's going next? And Siacoin holder, they going up the prices, increase the prices, decrease in upcoming days. What's the prediction of Siacoin, my friend? And what's the target of Siacoin? And what's my opinion in this video to sell, hold, or buy everything in this video is going very special for Siacoin holder. If you watch this just 2-minute video, then I hope you be safe from any loss, my friend. So kindly, before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe our YouTube channel because I have a good news for everyone. So Siacoin holder, please click the subscribe button, because if you are my friend, if you want to friendship with me, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and press bell icon for video. Please like this video, my friend. This time, if you can see here, my friend, in the last 1 hour they changed occurred plus 13 plus 3.48% change occurred, my friend. I think this time all capital markets starting moving up. So here as 0.033 USD dollar, my friend, as the latest price you can see here. And Siacoin is one of the fastest cryptocurrency and all over the world, my friend. This time in the last 1 hour they completely only the one and only, my friend, starting moving up. So this is first of all good news for all Siacoin holder today starting moving up. Okay, let's check out the last 7 days chart, my friends, to what's going on in the last 7 days. This is very important, and we do hear the prediction of Siacoin, my friend. So this time you can see here, my friend, almost they take a very high jump, my friend, and this time you can see here 0.5 something they got up, my friend. So I hope, my friend, in upcoming days they also moving up. But here, if you can see here, my friend, they very badly falls down, my friend. You can see here after a jump they falls down, after a fails they jump, my friend. This is the circulation of every crypto market. You can see here if they go in this circulation exactly, they cannot go off, they cannot cross the resistance line, my friend. But I hope they go off something like this point. You can see here, my friend. So the good time is coming soon, my friend, but this time you please just hold it. I hope at the end of month, I hope they give you very good profit, they make you millionaire. So thanks for watching, my friends. Please, what's my opinion, I also told you, please hold it, don't sell it. And if you have any plan to buy more, then absolutely this is not time for you buy it. Please research personally. I just advise you, my friends, to, if you are to buy, then absolutely research personally. But this is my opinion, my friends, to don't buy, because this is very badly fails down, my friend, and I can't believe it to why they fails down. I think in upcoming days they're moving up, so then you buy it. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type videos.